In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download Steam on your Mac. So downloading Steam on Mac is a really simple process. The first thing you will need to do is obviously open up the browser of your choice. So in today's video, I will be using Google Chrome. And then you will need to search for Steam Download. Once you search for Steam Download, as you can see, you can click on Welcome to Steam here at the top search result. Once you click on that, as you can see on the home Steam page here, there is an option for Install Steam. You will need to click on this option here. Once you click on Install Steam, you can now click on Install Steam here, and it is also available on Windows, so you can click on Install Steam. Once you do that, as you can see, it will be downloaded on your downloads bar here, and once it has finished, you can click on it. And what that will do is it will bring this up here. So all you simply need to do is click, hold and drag Steam into applications. Once you drag Steam into applications, you can now close this down. And then you can, if I minimize this and then I go over to my Launchpad and I scroll across, as you can see, Steam will now be located here within my applications. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.